Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to a daily market recap. Today was a good day. I'm finishing up $63.73. Biggest of the YouTube channel journey so far. I traded 4 stocks, so let's jump right into it. I'll bring over my P&L here. So yeah, I'm green on 3 out of the 4 stocks I traded. A very small loss on CHEK. So yeah, overall, really good day. Really good day. We're going to start out with EVTV, which I'm already here. So I got a nice trade on it at, I got this double bottom here on the 10-second chart, and I ended up getting almost $1 a share out of this. Yeah, 701. So this was this big topping tail here on this candle. A little bit risky. I was worried of just a quick flush down, but ended up not happening. But on the 1-minute chart, the false breakout, that was the big one. Go here, right here. So it was super extended right here at 705. And you would think, oh, maybe we'll get a nice 1-minute pullback here, but this topping tail, this massive topping tail here, that was a big indication on a false breakout. So that was kind of hands off on that. As soon as I see this big topping tail, there was one right here as well. I mean, this did give a nice resolution on a 1-minute pullback, but this $1 a share drop on a pullback, that is a bit much, I think. So I was hands off on that. We had glue hitting the scanners. This one actually moved up quite a bit, but the problem, 45 million each share float. So I really don't like trading these lower float stocks. My strategy is just a momentum. The quicker I can get in and the quicker I can get out, the more confident I am. Buying and holding for a little bit. I mean, it went up, made a lot of money. It went from $5 to a high of $9.15. So you can make money on it. I'm not confident in the buying and holding strategy. It doesn't work out for me. I feel like it's too risky. But it did have news, so I think there was opportunity to be traded for sure. But I steer clear of anything over probably 10 million share float most of the time. There's some dependencies on that. Then the next stock I traded was SLRX. I got $17 out of this one, which is impressive looking at the chart. Where was my entry? $7.54. Go over here on the 10-second chart. So I ended up just getting another double bottom here, right at the whole $1.08, and it just gave a nice quick spike up. I think I got I actually got in a little bit higher. I was trying to get in at 8, and I got in at 8.39, and I sold at 8.73. So yeah, that was a good trade. 25 cents a share. So that was a good trade. $17 on that. Sorry, I'm got the hiccups. And my final trades on the day, I have to hurry up a little bit. I need to get ready to go to work. So trying to just go over this nice and quick. I got a couple trades on CHEK. I took 2 trades. Both of them were very small losses. I mean, I lost $2.79 on this stock. So it yeah, no bueno. But if we go back on NAOV, this was a stock that had a patent news, which kind of weak. It's not too good of a headline. But I got my trade on that, and what stopped me from trading this was this 1-minute candle right here from 12.50 to 9.65. 3 points. 3-point drop. And that was kind of my sign to be like, don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's not worth it. I mean, it did obviously push higher. We got to move up to 14 a bit later, 15 almost. But at that point, it just really wasn't worth it for me. So yeah, that's gonna be it for my day today. We are up. Yeah, finishing up $63.73. So let me know how you guys did today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.